हेलो दोस्तों, वेलकम बैक टू आवर वेब डेवलपमेंट सीरीज। आज हम सीखने वाले हैं जावास्क्रिप्ट के ऑपरेटर्स, कंडीशंस और लूप्स। ये तीन कॉन्सेप्ट किसी भी प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज का फाउंडेशन होता है और अगर आप बिगनर हो तो ये वीडियो आपके लिए बहुत हेल्पफुल होने वाला है। सो लेट्स मूव टू ऑपरेटर्स इन जावास्क्रिप्ट। First, understand what are JavaScript operators. JavaScript operators perform operations on values. So first is arithmetic operators like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and modulus. These are basic math operations. Next is assignment operators. That is equal to for assignment, to assign any value. Plus equal to is add and assign the value. Minus equal to is subtract and assign the value. Comparison operators. Double equal to is loose equality and triple equal to is strict equality in JavaScript. Exclamatory mark then equal to is shows not equal, then greater than and less than. After that we have logical operators like logical and, logical or, and logical not. And also we have one operator, that is type operator. It shows type of data type, like let name is equals to any name, and then console.log type of name, then it will show what type of data it is. So we can say it's a type operator. So here we have example, a shopping cart example. Let price is equals to 500, discount is equals to 100, and then we have to calculate final amount. It is final amount is equals to price minus discount. So here console.log payable amount is rupees plus final amount, that is rupees 400. So in this example we have used assignment operator, where is equals to to set values, and the arithmetic operators to calculate the final amount. The output shows the payable amount after applying a discount. Controlling program. Conditional statements are programs making decisions and control their flow based on specific conditions like if, else if, and else. Structure is fundamental for branching logic. तो सिंपल लॉजिक लगाने के लिए हम इफ एल्स का यूज कर सकते हैं, बट फॉर नेस्टेड इट यूजेस इफ एल्स इफ देन एल्स. सो हियर वी हैव एग्जांपल. Let marks is equals to 85. If marks is greater than or equal to 90, it will print grade A plus. If marks is greater than or equal to 75, then grade A. So it is else if, else keep trying. So here it is output A because the mark is 85, which is greater than and equal to 75. That's why output is grade A. So it's an example here of nested if else. If else if ladder. So now simplify the multiple conditions in JavaScript with the help of switch. So switch multiple conditions के लिए यूज होता है, readable और organized भी होता है. So when you have many conditions to check against a single variable, then we can use switch statement, and it is a efficient alternative to long if else if chain. It is a for clean code. So suppose let day is equals to 3. Switch day case 1. If console.log Monday. If 2, then console.log Tuesday. 3, then console.log Wednesday. Default we have weekend. So here output is Wednesday because we have used day 3. If we input day is equals to 2, then it will print Tuesday. Else if we take day is equals to 1, then it will print Monday. Else it will print weekend. So repeating actions. JavaScript for loops. Loops are essential for automating repetitive tasks. The for loop is ideal when you know the exact number of iterations needed. फॉर लूप तब यूज करते हैं जब हमें पता हो कि कितनी बार लूप चलाना है. So here's a syntax of for loop. For loop is structure. With example, for let I is equals to 1 for initialization, I is less than or equal to 5, then I plus plus. Console.log hello plus I. So here it will print hello 5 times, starting from 1 and less than or equal to 5. So this loop initializes a counter I, sets a condition for its continuation, and defines how I updates after each iteration. So it prints hello followed by the current count from 1 to 5. So that's why hello printed 5 times. Hello 1, hello 2, hello 3, hello 4 and hello 5. So we have while and do while loops as well. While तब चलता है जब तक condition true हो. So while loop executes as long as its condition is true. It first checks the condition, then executes the block. So first move to while loop. Let I is equals to 1. While I is less than or equal to 3, console.log count plus I. Then I plus plus. So it will count 1, count 2 and count 3. Because starting from 1 and till condition 2, I is equals to 2, condition is true. Then it will print count 2. I is equals to 3, yes it is less than or equal to 3, then it will print count 3. When I is equals to 4, then condition false, then it will not print. It will not go forward. Do while loop कम से कम एक बार तो चलता ही है, even if condition false. अगर condition false भी होती है तो भी do while loop एक बार run जरूर होता है. So the do while loop always executes its block at least once, then checks the condition. This is useful for tasks that must run irrespective of any initial condition. So do while loop. Let j is equals to 1, do console.log running plus j I plus j plus plus while j is less than or equal to 2. Running 1 and running 2. तो ये था JS के बेसिक बिल्डिंग ब्लॉक्स, ऑपरेटर्स, कंडीशन एंड लूप्स. So today we have learned about the fundamental building blocks of JS programming, that is JavaScript programming. So now it's time to put the knowledge to the test. So for the practice, you have to print all even numbers from 1 to 20 using a loop. Try combining an if statement with a for loop. Here is a hint also. So अगर आपको वीडियो पसंद आई है तो लाइक करना मत भूलना और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर करो फॉर मोर सच बिगिनर फ्रेंडली ट्यूटोरियल्स. सो हैप्पी कोडिंग, मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो में. थैंक यू.